wanted to come visit a technical school here in Massachusetts that has been working on a project that we have followed all season, and that is the renovation of the center school in Dracut, Massachusetts. Now, while the contractors at the center school are starting to finish up that project, students here have graciously volunteered to build a table that will go in the first floor community room over at the center school. Hey, Bruce, good to see you.
Nice to see you, Kevin. Thanks for coming in.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having us. So this is the table you're working on for us.
Yeah. So what we did was we took some 1x stock oak, and we took 5 pieces and we glued it up to get the 4x8 size. Okay. And then we took another 1x. We're adding a 3-inch piece here just to make it look more beefier. And we're going to take a router and put a little decorative edge all the way around the bottom of this.
Nice.
So we have 3 seniors working on this project today with myself.
Yeah.
We have 4 teachers in here. We have a freshman teacher, a sophomore, junior, and a senior teacher.
And what are you teaching them? What are they learning while they go through this whole program?
Sophomores frame up a little 4x4 house all year. They do everything from the floor to the rafters and siding. We have the juniors, which I take control of. We have a house out back that we built. They do all the interior framing every year. They do drywall. They do all the extension jambs and jambs around the windows. Nice. They do all the baseboard, hang all the doors. We have the plumbing that go out there and do all the rough. They come out and do the finish when they're done. Electrical goes out there. We have a regular construction schedule until it's done at the end of the year.
And they're picking a specialty, whether it's carpentry, what are the other ones that you can?
So we have plumbing, we have electrical, we have HVAC, we have masonry, we have painting and design. Then we have automotive, we have welding, machine shop, engineering, CAD. So we pretty much have everything covered. Right now they're bringing over the skirt board, which we pre-assembled yesterday.
Okay.
So now they're going to set it in place. As you can see, we have the markings on here.
And how you fasten this to the underside of the...
So we have 3 splines. We have them numbered so that the holes will line up like they did yesterday.
Yep. And so obviously they're taking academics as well. So they're in the classroom, but then they're also here.
Yep. So they're in shop for 1 full week. And then the next week they're in academics for the full week.
Gotcha. They're going to come out of this with a high school diploma, but also a lot of skills right here.
A lot of skills in their trades, yes.
What level of real-world work do they get during this program?
I mean, when they're in here and they're working, they're doing what workers do out in the field.
Yeah. Do they have internships? Do they work?
They have a co-op program. So second half of their junior year, they're eligible with hours to go out on co-op, which will have contractors come in, they interview the kids, and then they hire them, and then they work full-time they do their full week of shop on the job. So they're not here. They get to go to get a coffee in the morning and go to work like everybody else. Right. So.
Yeah. And what are the prospects long-term once they get out there?
We have a lot of kids that have been on co-op jobs. If they went out 10 years ago and they got hired, some of them are still with the same companies. Yeah. These kids have the world in their hands right now.
There we go. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
That's a beauty, huh?
We're going to have Mel take the trim router. She's going to go around and break this corner off.
So you got some finish options for us?
Some finish options here, Kev. We're going to do a first coat. That'll come out and look like this. We put the second coat on, it gets a little more glossy, but then we wipe it. Nice. And then we're going to finish it off with some polyurethane.
So we're going to have this look here over the entire table?
Over the entire table, yes.
Well, that's going to look great. I mean, the whole thing looks awesome already. So did you guys have fun doing this?
Yeah.
All right. Well, Tyler, Lindsay, Mel, thank you for that. And Bruce, thank you for this.
Thank you very much, Kevin, for coming by.
Can't wait to see it in the school.
Yep, it'll look good.
Yeah, it will. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.